So yeah, I'm starting this vlog in the car. I barely have an intro. I don't freaking care. Like, we're just about to vlog. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Imagine a world. Hey you guys, I'm really excited because today is the day I got the keys to my very own first apartment. And I say very own because it's only me living in this apartment. Like, I've been in an apartment before, but I've had roommates. But this is my first time having my own apartment and I'm super excited. I already seen my apartment, I already got the keys, and I decided like this will be a cool moment to vlog and to have because it's like a milestone. I just turned 24. And now I am moving into my own apartment. I still do the Libby tour. I'm doing it another season. Yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys on my journey. I have some boxes, I have some cleaning supplies. My parents are coming this weekend to help me move in some of my other stuff, which I'm super excited. And my mom's like an interior designer, so she's gonna hook a sister up with decorating my apartment. So I'm excited about that. Also, what do y'all think about this lip? I've been looking for a nude lip to wear and I think I found it. But don't let me say that I think I found it and then you guys comment down below and it's like, no girl, that is not your shade, like take that off. Just let me know. It's by NARS, it's called Dance Fever. I got it with my points at Sephora and I think it's really cute. So yeah, I'm starting this vlog in the car. I barely have an intro. I don't freaking care. Like, we're just about to vlog. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm about to go in here and start cleaning and I'm gonna show you what my apartment looks like on the inside right now. And yes, also you guys, like the first time I came, I had like the little apartment agent person show me where my apartment was. The second time I had to find it by myself. I got lost. Your girl got lost. I have no sense of direction. So, but I found it and we are here. So yeah, let's go check it out. Y'all, how about I still had the wrong apartment? Just walked up to the wrong apartment. Y'all hear those acoustics though? Anyways, I'm in the apartment, found my apartment, thank God. And I'm gonna give you guys a like brief empty apartment tour, okay? It's my first apartment. It's not glamorous, it's not huge. It's just me, okay? Just me, don't judge. It's the front door. Okay, yeah, front door, how interesting. You walk in and that is the living room. This is where my kitchen table is gonna go. That is a storage closet, like winter coats and all that jazz. I have a little light fixture up there. A little island. It's my phone and my keys and my water bottle. Stay hydrated. It's my kitchen. I love these little hang down lights. And my kitchen is like really tiny, but like I said, it's just me. So I have a gas stove. I haven't seen a gas stove in I don't know how long, but here we are. That I got a dishwasher, hunty. I got a fridge. Like, yes, I have to go grocery shopping immediately. Hallway, and then my bedroom. I don't have any light in my bedroom, so I'm gonna have to make that happen. Favorite part is the closet. Look at that, I have so much space. Like, it's legitimately a walk-in closet. That is like where the air conditioning or whatever that thing is. Here we are in the bathroom. They gave me a new tub, you guys, but they didn't put the drain in the tub, and I'm just highly confused as to how they thought I was gonna take a shower without a drain, you feel me? That is my apartment and I cannot wait to show you guys the after of what it's gonna look like when it's all done. Having my own space is super important to me. Anyone who knows me knows that I need to have my own space. That's why when I did summer stock this past summer, where I had to stay with 3 other people in a room, although I love them, they are amazing and I'm so glad that I met them, it was really hard for me just because I didn't have my own space anywhere. I felt like everybody was everywhere and I had no personal space for a whole 2 months and I was dying. So I'm about to go back out to my car. Well, actually I'm gonna move my car because I parked outside the wrong apartment, and then I'm gonna start cleaning and hang up some clothes. I don't know if I'm gonna grocery shop today. That might be tomorrow. I might do that tomorrow. But yeah, I'm so excited. Brought in the supplies. Got some Lysol, some disinfectant wipes, some toilet cleaners, some Windex, some bleach, a vacuum cleaner, and a mop and a broom. I don't even know why I'm acting like I know what I'm doing, because I don't even know where to start. I guess sweep? Yeah. Okay, insert cleaning montage now. Update, I cleaned. See the shine on the floor? I mopped and I vacuumed my room. So I'm gonna start putting clothes in my closet and then I'm gonna head out and we will start grocery shopping tomorrow. Oh my goodness, you guys. So it is the next day and I am currently in my car, as you can see, and I'm going to attempt to go grocery shopping. It is now like 1:20 and I have work at 4 p.m. and I have like 2 hours to go to Walmart and go grocery shopping and then go to Target to get a router and modem for my Wi-Fi. I want to get that done today. So let's go to Walmart. I don't have a list. I was planning on making one, but I didn't. Today has been just, I couldn't get out of bed. I just didn't feel like doing anything. I didn't make a list, but I think I have an idea of what I want. We just gonna see what I pick up. Okay. Anyways, yeah. Are gonna get the phone quality because I don't feel like bringing my camera in here, but I don't know where anything is in this Walmart. Like the whole setup is completely different than what I'm used to. So I just picked up some Nutella and I probably should get some peanut butter. If y'all don't know, crunchy. I don't want crunchy. Where's the Peter Pan honey roasted regular? If y'all had not tried that one, it is so freaking good. Literally, I cannot find it. Here we are. They changed it. Ooh, y'all, look what they had. If y'all don't know about these are so freaking good. Let me tell you, they're so good. I am not feeling this Walmart at all. Like, I don't know. I'm just not feeling it. I'm about to get some bread. Guess in the comments down below how much you think this is all about to be. This is what happens when you shop without a list, guys. Okay, so I'm back in my car after Walmart and I spent $277 on all the groceries I bought, and I bought quite a bit. I feel like if I went to Whole Foods, I would buy half of that and that would be that price. So don't be sleeping on Walmart. I'm gonna kind of show y'all what I bought when I get back to the apartment if I have time. Next stop is Target, so let's go. So your girl's a hot, sweaty mess right now. But the groceries are out. It's gonna be the quickest grocery haul you're ever gonna see because I am crunched for time. I have to go to work at 4 and it's like 3:15. Ooh, I'm sweating. All right, I have trash bags, Ziploc bags, some stuff. All of my proteins, shrimp, chicken thigh fillet. I have some salmon and some ground turkey, some sweet potatoes, some fresh green beans and some broccoli, some rice from chicken and garlic, healthy cookies from Pillsbury for Halloween, some Cheez-Its for snacks. I love these overnight oat things. They're so good. So good, and I just got some regular ones. I like them because I don't have to use a bowl and wash dishes because I'm lazy. A mango, mushrooms, the Peter Pan, some pasta, some linguine, aluminum foil, some thin spaghetti. I got the sun-dried tomato Alfredo, it's so good. Shredded cheese to put on my eggs and my spinach, and a bacon. Bread, frosted flakes, some raspberry lemonade. I love this. Almond milk, because no to cow milk. I'm not even that kind of person. Like if you drink cow milk, I don't really care. I have some seasonings because I do not do bland food. I have some more spaghetti sauce. Honey, I got some garlic salt, some garlic powder. If you don't season your food, what are you doing? If you only use salt and pepper, I am judging you. Toasted chips for snacks, some rice in a bag. I have the worst luck making regular rice without a bag. I have bananas. This tea right here is so good. It is vanilla chai, and if you put honey in it, it smells like a freaking cupcake. It's so good. Cinnamon swirl bagels and some cream cheese to go with that in there. I have the olive oil and sea salt butter. It is so good. I have some diced onions, so I don't have to dice onions myself when I'm sauteing garlic and onions because I'm lazy, like I said. I have olive oil, some stock cold brew coffee. This stuff is so good. Bragg organic apple cider vinegar. This stuff is great for your health, for your voice. When you make tea, you can pour it in your tea, and it's really good. I mean, it's not really good. It tastes terrible, but it's really good for you. Citrus salad. I love these. It tastes really good. And some lettuce. So yeah, that's it. I got enough for like a small village. I'm kind of confused as to where I'm gonna put some things because I don't have that much like storage. So we're gonna figure it out. All right. Wow. I don't know, what was that, a whoa? I don't, kill me. What am I talking about? I don't know. I was in Target with my mom. We were getting some last little wall art pieces that we could find at almost 11 o'clock at night. And I can officially say my apartment, it's not done. There are still things I want to add here and there, but like it's pretty much together. And I wish I would have vlogged more when my parents were here, but it was like really crazy getting everything set up. So I'm just gonna show you guys the finished apartment. Finished, I say that loosely because I still want to add some things. I mean, I don't want to add too much because I'm not going to be here forever. I'm sorry this vlog was all over the place. I don't even know how I'm going to edit this together, if it will even go up. If you are seeing me now, well, hello, I guess I figured it out. So I am sick. I think I'm getting sick. My throat hurts. I don't feel good. So if I sound weird, that is why. And I did not feel like trying with makeup today. I just put on mascara and brushed my eyebrows. So this is all y'all get in the real Ashley. All right, so vlog, yes. Let me turn off these lights because your girl is paying light bills now, okay? That is my apartment tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I am, like, I can't. Like, it's super weird having my own space. Like, I've never had my own space before. And also being able to pay for my own space on my own, which is just amazing. So I hope you guys like this video. I don't even know what this video is called, but I hope you like it. Me getting ready for my apartment. My window's open and this guy can totally see me vlogging right now. Do I care? No, I don't. So comment down below, and actually comment down below because I'm tired of telling y'all to comment and I don't get no comments on my videos. I'm tired of that. Comment down below and let me know what you guys would like to see. If you guys liked the video, comment what you ate today. Just comment under my video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.